Passing showers on Friday with mostly cloudy skies, and then Saturday a slightly larger, more widespread system reserved for the afternoon and evening, continuing come Sunday morning.
All right, here's this developing phenomenon now. First it was Warwick, now it's Seekonk. Chick Fil A is expanding in southern New England with a new restaurant opening within the next 17 minutes.
People are online about this. Grand openings are no joke for this restaurant. Diehards, as you're about to see, camping out for a chance to win free food, giving the whole thing sort of a Black Friday feel, although it's not November. It is February. Ashley Cullinane is live in Seekonk with that growing crowd behind her.
Good morning, Frank and Allison. I know I'm getting just bumped by the cart. People are lined up on this new Chick Fil A on Fall River Avenue, and I think this is really the epitome of some serious New England dedication. All of these people are lined up by number. The first 100 that were here, camped out for almost a day, actually are getting free meals for a year. And we're here with Chris, who happens to look like a snowman. It's the home stretch for you. Having fun?
It's about staying warm. It's about staying warm.
Well, guess what happened? There's so much excitement out there that the microphone malfunctioned. We'll hear what this fella had to say a little bit later once we reestablish contact. Some of these people have been camped out at this Chick Fil A. We checked it yesterday at noon, and they were there already. So they spent the night. A lot of them were sleeping there. In fact, Ashley was asked, step away from the crowds. Don't wake them up. They're sleeping. We'll check in again with her in our